Hai semuanya, kembali lagi di channel online kelas. Selamat belajar dan selamat menonton.
Part 1 Daily Expression. Just do what I told you. 2. Give my best to Jackson. 3. What was that again? 4. Get out of here.
5. I'll catch you later. 6. It's my pleasure. 7. Go away. Part 2. Make a date. 1. Inviting a friend. 2. Have you been there? 3. What's so special about the place? 4. When do you have free time? 5. Several times. 6. As long as I remember. In the market. 1. How much is it? 2. I am sorry, it's a fixed price. 3. What do you want to buy? 4. I want a 2 kilos carrot. 5. After this, what will you purchase? 6. I think chicken would be nice for today.